Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron, and I'm with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another engine rebuild completion video. Today's date is May the 11th of 2024, and this is a Triumph Spitfire or MG Midget 1500, and engine number FM112439UE. And this engine belongs to Doug. Been completely through it, and it's been built with compression in mind and performance in mind. I raised the compression by flat top pistons and took over 100 thousandths off the head and a 270 duration cam, and which usually doesn't increase the compression, but it does increase the performance. And the valves, intake valves, have been increased in size to 4.38 inches, 1.438 inches, and so it's been bored, and crankshaft has been turned and cleaned up, and it's got a bunch of new parts in it, new timing chain, dual timing chain, and timing gears, and it's got new double springs, a new rocker shaft, and tapettes, and the crankshaft has been reworked, and it's got all new bearings on the mains and so oil pressure was very good. It was at a little over 70 pounds when it was cold, and then when it was warm, it ran at 3,000 RPMs or 2,500 RPMs. It would get up to 70, but and then at idle it would settle back to about 40 or just a little under, maybe 38. So that's, oil pressure is good, and runs well, smooth. It's all been balanced. We balance the crankshaft and then add the pulley and the flywheel, and then we weight balance the pistons and the connecting rods, and so it runs very well. I'm going to start it up here, let you listen to it purr, especially Doug, and since I know he'll be interested in that. And the compression numbers were very good. Had 200 on number 3 and number 4. Number 1 and number 2 were less than that, but they were like 80, 184 and 193 or something like that. And those are still very good, and it's just not broke in yet, so I'm not too concerned about it. But anyway, we're going to let you hear it run, and then we'll close out the video. All right, there you have it. And I'll be bringing it to you on the 22nd, and you can pick it up between the 22nd and the 29th or 30th, and we'll settle up and trade engines, and it'll be good to go. So thanks for watching.